In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use InVideo to create animated video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank screen to a complete AI-generated animation without needing any advanced editing skills. First, log into your InVideo account. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of creation options on the dashboard. Look for the text to clip function. This is the tool that turns your written ideas into a full animated video. Click it to start a new project. Think of text to clip as your shortcut. You describe what you want, and the system assembles the visuals, script, voiceover, and music for you. Next, head to the workflow section. Here's where the magic happens. You'll provide a detailed text prompt that tells the AI exactly what to create. Be specific about the animation style you want. 3D, cartoon, or a Disney-inspired look work great as starting points. Then outline the story, including the beginning, middle, and end. Introduce your characters with a brief description of who they are, what they want, and how they change. If your story has a particular setting or mood, mention that too. Clarity here saves time later because the AI will use your prompt to generate the script, select or create visuals from generated clips or stock footage, apply a voiceover, and layer in music. As you write your prompt, imagine you're giving directions to a creative team. For example, specify tone and pacing, such as fast and energetic or calm and cinematic. If you want a narrator, say whether you prefer a warm, friendly voice or a more dramatic style. You can suggest cues like gentle piano for emotional scenes or upbeat electronic music for tech-focused content. Include visual details that matter like bright colors, soft lighting, or a futuristic cityscape. If you have a target duration in mind, add that so the AI can plan scene lengths accordingly. The more precise your instructions, the more accurate the result. When your prompt feels complete, hit generate. Keep in mind that this may be a paid feature, and some assets or voices might require a plan or credits. After you start generation, InVideo will assemble everything for you. A cohesive script, matching visuals from generated clips or stock, a consistent voiceover, and a soundtrack that fits the tone you described. That's it. Log in, choose text to clip, craft a detailed prompt in workflows, and generate. With a clear brief, InVideo does the heavy lifting and delivers an animated video that reflects your creative vision.